Hello guys, good evening. So I just want to share something touching and something sweet during the pita. So I want to meet you, our baby meet me. Actually, kolone sila. So, every time nga mag-ulan, mudagan ni sila din. Kaya wala man gini sila totally nga higot. So, naalang sila PC, but then wala sila higot. So, inaani sila ka-sweet, no? Karon pag ako sila givideohan pag magabiin. Ano sila? So, dili ni sila actually the same og inahan. So, kaning puti mo yung managsuon, and then kaning brown, kay lahi po din mama. So, no? Sweet kaayo sila. They're very sweet. Di sila mag-away. Na sila magtinandayay. Oh. As in, skin to skin. Kumbaga. No, na sila ka-loving. They're very loving. So, yeah. Meet Noki. This is Noki. Say hi, Noki. And this is our Mookie. Hi, Mookie. Oh, that's Mookie. Na siya yung nani. And this is Mickey. Say bye-bye na. Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.